students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is English of Standard First and name of the lesson is Where is the cat? Yes, dear children, you love cat, isn't it? See this. Here we can see this cat in different positions and in different place, isn't it? One time it is standing here and afterwards it goes there. It will not stay at one place. Okay, today we will learn to find the position of the cat. Okay. Where is the cat? Look and read. Little cat is going to the park. Yes, we have one small cat. It is going to the park. She is sitting in the car. Where is she? She is there inside the car. Let's see where she is. Okay, now see, this is the picture from our textbook, okay, of Balabharati. Now here we can see the different positions of cat. Right? Now we will study each position one by one. Okay? Here, fill in the blanks with correct words. Okay, we have to fill the word here by observing, by looking the position of the cat. You know, this is car, isn't it? This is a car and this is a cat. Now, here what is the question? The cat is dash the car. Here we have to fill this blank or this space by a word which shows the position of the cat. See, this is car, this is cat. Now the cat is on the car, isn't it? It is sitting on the car. Where is the cat? The cat is on the car. Right? Here we will write on, O-N, on. The cat is on the car, means it is sitting on the car. Okay. Next, see this. Where is the cat? See, here it is. Can you see? Yes. The cat is dash the car. Up means it is on the car. Here it is inside. Correct? It is sitting on the seat. So what we will write here? The cat is in the car. Got this, students? In means car के अंदर. On means car के ऊपर. Okay? Now this cat is in the car. Next, see the cat. See the car. Guess the position. Here, the cat is dash the car. The car is standing here. It is behind the car, isn't it? The cat is behind, पीछे. Right? So we will write here behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind means पीछे. कार के पीछे cat है. Okay? The cat is behind the car. Please get the meaning of behind. Okay? पीछे. Observe the position of the cat according to the car. कार के पीछे है, so it is behind the car. Okay? Next, see, where is the cat? Yes, here it is. What you will write here in the place, what you write here? The cat is, very good, under the car. कार के नीचे है. Right? The cat is under the car. In this space, what we have written? Under. Right? Next, see this. Here it is cat and here is our car. The cat is dash the car. Yes, it is near to the car. कार के पास में बैठा है और बैठी है. बिल्ली किधर बैठी है? कार के पास. पास means here we will write near. Got this? The cat is near the car. Okay, got this? Next is the cat is dash the car. Again, see this, the position of the cat and car. Car is here and cat is beside the car, isn't it? The cat is बाजू में, beside. The cat is beside the car. Got this, students? Next, see, this is cat and this is our car. So the cat is dash away from the car. Yes, it is far away. बहुत दूर बैठी है. Right? So far away from the car. Got this, students? Our cat showed us different positions. Right? On the car, in the car, behind the car, near the car, beside the car, under the car and far away from the car. Got this, students? Okay, we will take one more example. Where is the boy? Okay, now this boy is standing here. Here also we will study the different positions. How the boy stands, near, far, in, out, on, etc. Okay. Now, by this you will become conform or the concept will become clear for you. We will use here tree, car, boy, house, shop, etc. Okay. Now fill in the blanks with correct words. The boy is dash the table. See this picture. This is table, you know, correct? This is the table and this is our boy. Where is our boy? Yes, very good. The boy is on the table. उसके ऊपर खड़ा है, right? Boy table के ऊपर खड़ा है. So it is on the table. Got this? Okay, we will move to next one. The boy is dash the house. You know this is house. Correct? Now you can see boy here. Right? So the boy is in the house. घर के अंदर है. Where is the boy? He is inside the house. Correct? Next. The boy is dash the tree. You can see this tree. Where is the boy? See this boy. Right? He is. जब भी बिल्ली कार के पीछे थी हम लोगों ने क्या यूज किया था वर्ड? Behind. Very good. So the boy is behind the tree. Tree के पीछे खड़ा है. Behind. Okay. Next. Here, fourth one. The boy is dash the tree. Where he is standing? See, this is our boy and this is the tree, isn't it? The boy is standing under the tree, isn't it? He is standing under the tree. For this, so we will write here under. U-N-D-E-R. Under the tree. Under means नीचे. ट्री के नीचे खड़ा है. Right? We will move to next one. See, this is shop and this is our boy. The boy is dash the shop. Yes, what to write here? The boy is near the shop. Correct? वो पास में खड़ा है. शॉप के पास में खड़ा है. Near. Near means नजदीक. What this? The boy is near the shop. Okay? Next one. The boy is dash the cat. See, here this cat is sitting and this boy is standing. See the position of these two. Yes, very good. They are beside each other. The cat is beside the boy and the boy is beside the cat. So we will write here beside. B-E-S-I-D-E. Beside. Got this? Okay, next one. See, this is our car and here the boy is standing. So much distance is there, isn't it? So we will write the boy is far away from the car. बहुत दूर खड़ा है. Right? So the boy is far away from the car. Got this, students? This is all about the different positions of the object. Okay? Now, today we have learned about the different positions like in, on, under, beside, behind, far away, etc. Right? Try to practice that. Okay? Bye bye. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.